BJP Minister Alexander Lalu Hek on Tuesday informed that Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma is expected to convene a meeting of the MDA-2 partners in the coming week to discuss the roster system and other issues. Talking to reporters, Hek said that he had personally met the Chief Minister yesterday to discuss this matter. The minister said that the roster system should be implemented prospectively. Meanwhile, United Democratic Party Chief Medba Lingdor today said that he met the Chief Minister to discuss on the issue pertaining to the state reservation policy and the roster system and emphasized that discussion should be held in the interest of all communities in the state.
Yesterday only I discussed with the Honorable CM. He said that immediately by this coming week he will call the MDA meeting to discuss on the roster and other things also which is required for the MDA-2 government. Should be perspective. That is my personal opinion.
This is a very, very sensitive and very delicate, issue. That's why we need a very, very detailed discussion with those who are the stakeholders in the government, and where we will place our points and give our suggestions accordingly.
Indian Space Research Organization ISRO Chief